On a normal day, that's pretty much how you would go about packing your suitcase. But with Black Voyage, there's a different way to go about this. I want to showcase that to you guys with Black Voyage suitcases and backpacks. It's very, very, very interesting way and very exciting way to pack all your clothes and vacuum seal it and make it look awesome. Better than this. While this looks great and that's the norm, there's a better trick out there. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. As you guys saw in the little intro before, I'm actually going to show you a new trick on how to actually pack your clothes and get your clothes ready and stuff of that nature. And it's with this particular product here. It's with Black Voyage Vortex Zephyr bags. So if you don't know, now you know. Black Voyage Zephyr bags are actually easier to pack. And I'm going to show that to you guys why it's easier to pack most of your stuff and vacuum seal it and get ready to go. So let's go to the video further. I'm going to flip my camera around. I'm going to demonstrate the product, take it out the bag, and we'll get to see exactly what this product does and how great the bag is. That's inside this aluminum seal bag that's in there. So it's a bag within a bag, so to speak. But let's get to it further. Let's go. All right. This is the Black Voyage bag in itself. This is actually designed in the USA, but I'm not so sure if it's made in China as usual. And obviously the name of this bag is the Vortex Zephyr Pro Black. So I'm assuming the color is black. So let's open it up, see what's in there. Okay. All right, guys, I was able to crack the bag open, and I pulled the bag out. And what's so cool about this bag is the fact that the material's rubbery, it's rainproof. See how cool the material looks? It feels awesome. It's a great rubbery material, doesn't stretch, and you can't really cut it under any circumstances whatsoever. So it's actually protects your equipment and everything else that you put in there. That's what's so cool about it. To start with, the appearance is great. There's actually a water bottle holder right there. You can unzip this and it stretches out. That's the cool piece of it. And in the back here, there's straps, shoulder straps, and also belly straps as well. And you could do this and unbolt it. And there's a zipper right back here as well. You could add more stuff in here, store more stuff. So let's get to it further. Let me show you exactly how this works in a nutshell. So let me unclip it. I'm unclipping it for y'all. And there we go. That's the bag in itself. Inside the bag is tons of accessories. This is where you get an over shoulder strap right there. And this right here is your vacuum to vacuum seal the bag. And it comes with different heads for the vacuum right there. And that's how it sounds. All right, so we're gonna put it to the test, see what it comes up with. Gonna put some clothes in there. I'm gonna put my laptop. I'm gonna pack my bag because I'm going on a small little trip. So I'm gonna pack my bag like I normally would. Let's start by unzipping it. All right. So put in a couple clothes here and there. put some pants, put in some shirts. Underwear, t-shirts. Pack it up. There we go. Pajamas, anything, you name it. Socks. All my essentials are going in there. And then I'm gonna vacuum seal that and put some more clothes in the top after I vacuum seal it. All right. So let's go. That's how that would work. Oop, a little piece of clothing stuck out. Zip it back. And let's try to vacuum seal it. All right, let's try that. See if that works. All right, so let's try another head. See if it seals better. Okay, this one will definitely seal it better. All right, that's the seal. Plug that in, and I can throw some extra clothes on top of that, like so, here. And as you could see, the bag is coming into effect. I'm gonna put all my accessories here, including my rechargeable vacuum right there. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm just gonna not bother with any of the extra straps. So we're gonna close that and see what it looks like for right now. And then I'm gonna put my laptop in there and all my other accessories. And if you're interested in this bag, the link is in the description. You can get you a bag like this with the coupon code that's actually in the description as well. All right, now the bag is closed. Easy way to pack. And now for my laptop and my other stuff, electronics can go back here. As you can see, I have quite a lot of electronics that I need to fit in there, such as these, my laptop, going away for a gig, and my DJ controller as well. So we're gonna try to put all that in there. So to speak. So the laptop will fit nice and tight in there. And you can just move those little straps in there, and the controller can go on top of the laptop, no problem whatsoever. And our chargers can go in here as well. And that's pretty much it. As far as the bag is concerned, the bag is fully packed. As you could see here, bag is completely packed. Nice, heavy bag. And if anything else I miss, wallet, passport, whatever it is, I can fit it back here and put it on my back and be ready to travel. And if under any circumstances I need to change the strap, I can do that. This is actually an ID tag for the bag. Right here, you can put your information in the bag, and if in case it gets lost, somebody can return it to you, but you don't necessarily need that. And it also velcros onto the back right there as well. And it has a warranty. You can register your product once you start using it. Black Voyage is awesome. They sent me this bag. I'm very, very thankful for them for sending me this bag. I am extremely appreciative of it. And this model is the Vortex model. So that's how cool it is to pack. Very, very cool to pack. Can't go wrong with it. Easy to carry, easy to lift. No problem whatsoever with it. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you actually own the Black Voyage Vortex bag or any other Black Voyage product, let me know in the comments below what you think of it. And if you're thinking of actually getting you a Black Voyage bag of some sort, because they have a variety of bags, I have the link in the description and also the coupon code along with that as well. So you can actually get you a bag of your choosing with, I believe, 20% coupon off, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, definitely comment, share with your friends, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Keep sharing, because I'm trying to grow this channel out. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.